What if I told you that asking questions can lead to incredible discoveries? Today, we explore an essential skill: prompting. Effective prompting opens doors to creativity, productivity, and engagement with AI. When using ChatGPT, prompts determine how well you communicate your ideas. A well-structured prompt leads to accurate, useful responses. Let's dive deeper into crafting effective prompts. Start by defining your topic clearly. If you want to discuss gardening, begin with, "Tell me about gardening basics." This specificity helps guide the AI to relevant information. Secondly, include context in your prompts. Say you need help planning a garden. What are some tips for starting a vegetable garden in a small space? This provides ChatGPT with clear direction. Instead of a broad question, try, "Can you summarize the benefits of urban gardening?" This encourages concise and focused responses. Encourage creativity by using phrases like "pretend you are" or "imagine." If this prompts ChatGPT to think outside the box. For example, imagine you are a garden designer. What plants would you recommend for beginners? Asking follow-up questions can refine your requests. If you receive a response, don't hesitate to prompt for more details. For instance, "Can you elaborate on that?" Or, "What are the best resources for learning more?" Imagine you want to know how to start a herb garden. What are the best herbs to grow indoors, and how do I care for them? To summarize, effective prompting includes clarity, context, and creativity. Define your topic, add context, ask for summarizations, encourage creative scenarios, and use follow-ups for clarity. With these strategies, you will communicate better with ChatGPT, unlocking its full potential. Ready to enhance your interaction with AI? Try these techniques in your next session with ChatGPT. The more you practice, the better your prompts become. Engage today and discover the power of effective prompting for smarter, more useful responses. In the next video we will discuss about what makes an effective prompt. Stay connected with us. Thank you.